Today we're checking out the Google Nest Mini. We're going to set this up, see what it sounds like, and see what all the fuss is about. Let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. My name's Shane. So today's video, we're going to check out this Google Nest Mini, and just to let you know how you can get one of these for free as well, or kind of for free, is how I got one for free. I've been a YouTube Premium subscriber now for over 12 months, and as a thank you, Google is sending these out to customers who use that service, and not only help support YouTube, but it also supports the creators. You get ad-free browsing, all that kind of stuff. So it's really, really cool. This was totally unexpected. I got an email one day from Google saying, hey, we want to send you one of these, and not because of the YouTube channel. Anyone who is subscribed to YouTube Premium will eventually get an email like I did, or at least I hope so anyway. So this is really cool. We're going to unbox this to start with, see what's in here. We're going to set it up. I'm going to give you my sort of analysis of what I think of how it sounds as well. So here we go. All right, here we go. This is very Apple-esque in its packaging so far. Ooh, very nice. So here's the speaker right here. Now I'll show you this up close, and I think this looks pretty wild. Check it out. It's tiny, but it's supposed to sound really great. Included in the box, we also get a power cable. In the box, we also get some instructions as well, which is great. This is a quick start guide, which means generally it shouldn't be that complicated to set up. I'm gonna set it up on this table, but odds are it's gonna live on the table behind me, but we'll use this table just for today. So here we go. First things first, we're gonna plug this into the wall.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
All right, so I don't actually have the app. I'm going to download that, and hopefully you heard that over my shirt microphone. It actually started before I made it my way back to the table, so that's a good sign. It works. So just to let you know, I'm actually using an iPhone 6s Plus, so it's not the newest phone out there, but I don't believe in updating just for the sake of it. So here we go. Google Home. And thanks to the beauty that's Australian internet, this shouldn't take more than about 5 minutes to download. Man, I'll be back when it's done. Now that I have the Google Home app installed, I'm going to open that. And it says to follow the on-screen instructions. Do I wish to use Bluetooth? Okay. All right, here's the setup guide. So we click Get Started. Click my email account. Click Next. Set up 2 devices. Click Get Started. Set up a new device. All right, it's looking for devices here. Hopefully it pops up. There it is. Connecting to Google Nest Mini. Did I hear a sound? I did, so yes. Help improve. Yeah, all right. Where is this? So it's going to be in my dining room. Next. Connect to Wi-Fi. Yep, it's got my right network. And we are connected. Looks like we are good to go. So I'm going to hit Next. Agree to all this stuff I didn't read. That's always a great sign. All right, let's see if we can get this to work. Something went wrong. I agree. I agree. Okay, Google, play my workout playlist. Okay, Google, where is the nearest post office? Hey, Google, remind me to buy flowers. Hey, Google, what time is the sunrise? Looks like we are done with that. Right at the end of the setup screen, it shows you all the stuff that you've just connected. Hit Next. And it looks like it'll take about 4 minutes, so I'll be back after this. While we're waiting for the installation, one of the cool features about this speaker is it actually has a microphone mute switch underneath it. So if you don't want it to recognize your voice at any particular time, or you just want to turn that feature off completely, hit the hardware switch and you'll be good to go. There's also a little port/area underneath where you can mount this on the wall nice and simply. One of the really cool things about the app is if you can see on my phone right now, you can adjust the volume nice and simply. There's also a 2-band EQ where you can adjust the bass and treble as well. I thought I'd test the audio quality on this by trying a song that I actually produced. It's on iTunes and Spotify. It's called Mississippi Time. Let's see how it sounds. Interestingly enough, it actually played straight through the phone, so I am not connected. All right, I managed to get it all hooked up. Here's my first impressions. This is Mississippi Time. Here we go. for me. Took a road up to Bama with a Mississippi mind. Oh yeah, baby, I got the time. Everywhere I turn now. Everyone's living. Hey Google, stop the music. Alright, funnily enough, I couldn't actually stop the music using Spotify manually. I had to tell this thing to stop the music. So my first impression of this, sound quality wise, is it's really quite good. It is so small. I'm shocked at how big it sounds. And it doesn't sound like it's coming from any one location, which is why I stood up and walked away. Sometimes when you're this close to a Bluetooth speaker or any Bluetooth speaker, it might just sound good because you're near it. But as you walk away, it doesn't sound like it's coming from any one spot. And it also sounds like it's projecting the sound outways in every direction evenly, which is pretty cool. So overall, that's not too bad. I don't know why I couldn't stop it manually with the Spotify app, which was odd. I have to do a little bit more digging about this, but so far so good. It also has some touch functionality on the top as well. So if you touch the left-hand side, it will bring the volume down. If you tap the right-hand side, it will bring the volume up. And if you tap the center, it will play and pause whatever song you're on. So let's try this and see if it restarts the same song. We'll turn it up. Oh, that's down. Round the curve of the floor of our life. Oh yeah, baby, this is on my mind. So there you have it. That's my unboxing, setup guide, and first impressions of this little device. Being that this speaker is so small, I'm shocked at how great it sounds, and I love the fact you can plug it into the mains outlet as opposed to having to recharge it and do all that kind of stuff. I much prefer to have electronics like this that are basically made to sort of stay on, that actually you can plug in and use. I think that's a really great thing. So this doesn't have a battery internally or anything like that, but for what it is, you would set it up and allocate it via the menu on the phone, what room it's in, to get probably the best acoustic sort of signature from the speaker, and it would sound great. So I might move this around and try it in a few different rooms in the house over the next few weeks. If I have any issues with this, I'll do it with a follow-up video and share it with everybody as well. But I have a feeling this is going to be a pretty solid device. It feels great, it sounds good, and it was easy enough to set up. Not flawless, but easy enough. Thanks again for watching. My name's Shane. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. If you already have one of these or you got one through that YouTube premium subscription thing for free like I did, leave a comment down there as well. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up. I have videos coming up all the time, so if you're not already subscribed, please do so. My name's Shane. I'll catch you soon. See ya.